Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can enable and disable Hey Google on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. The first thing that we need to do is open the settings, scroll all the way down, and then go to Google. Over here, switch to all services, scroll down and choose settings for Google Apps over here, and then choose Search Assistant in Voice. Over here, go to Google Assistant, and then here we should find Hey Google and Voice Match. Go over here, and then in order to enable Hey Google, we need to tap on this slider, and then we will need to configure our Hey Google Assistant. So we need to scroll down and choose I agree, and then one more time, and then I agree. So now over here we will see the sentence that we need to say out loud in order to let Google know how we sound like, in order to make our voice recognizable for the Google Assistant. So you want to repeat those sentences that you will see on the screen. So let's try it out. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? There we go, we have one. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. And there we go. So after repeating those sentences, you'll see the information that Hey Google is ready, and we can simply press next. And there we go, we can try to say anything we want, apparently, for some reason. Alright, and if you see something like this, then you can just select not now, we don't want to be bothered with it. And there we go, we can then choose to retrain voice match model if you have issues with using the Hey Google command, and you can also delete voice match model if you decide to remove your voice from the data. So now if you say Hey Google, then the Google Assistant will turn on, as you can see over here. And if you want to turn off this feature, then you can simply tap on the slider one more time, and then you can press OK. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.